Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add animated text on Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, go to Instagram. Now click on the Your Story option in the top left corner. Now tap on the text option having alphabet A and type in what you wanna post. Here you can choose various fonts, and from the top section of your screen, you can align your text, color it, and provide a background. You can edit your text like I did. Then tap on Done button and click on Your Story option. And that is how you can add animated text on Instagram story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.